Now let's look at some numbers to give you a bit more of a sense about how it might work for you. Now we've put some figures in. There was a survey a while ago about balances in retirement at age 65, and there was a figure of about $170,000 was the average account balance. I think it was for a couple in retirement. So I picked that one. We're taking Joe and Mary here. They're 65 years of age. They're retired. They own their own home. They've got no mortgage. Their expenditure is basically the modest retirement of $34,000. We've assumed a pretty conservative return of 4.8%. And what happens in this scenario? Oh, Joe's got 120 in super and Mary's got 50, and they've moved that money to pension phase to start drawing from it to provide for their retirement. Now what happens is this line here, this red line here, which you can see is the expenditure. So this is their $34,000 indexed up with inflation over time until about just under 100 years of age. That's 10 years above their life expectancy. The green line here is what they've actually achieved. So their income and capital drawdown. So because they're getting the full age pension, which is nearly the 34,000, just a bit under 34,000, they're drawing money from their superannuation. They're mainly living off the age pension, so they're actually saving money. The green line being higher than the red line means that they're actually saving money each year, which means their assets, which is this balance here, $170,000 starting here, continues to grow until it grows to about $600,000 when they're just under 100 years of age. So you can see here, because they're living basically on the age pension and then just saving the rest of their money, they're well and truly provided for. And just to give you an idea of where that income is coming from, so at the start, as soon as they retire, you can see that the blue line here is their income support, which is the age pension, and they've got a little bit of extra income coming through from their pension, which is their superannuation pension. Over time, they start to save a bit of that money into their bank account, which means that they accumulate investments outside of super, which is this little orange line over here. So this is they've got money in the bank account now, and that's generating some income. So over time, that generates a little bit more income for them over the years. But you can see where the purple line is their superannuation money. The majority of their money is coming from the age pension, the government age pension, and there's a little bit of investment income as well.